Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got an exciting, more of just an unveiling because I have already opened this and I've actually showed it on a live stream, but I wanted to share it in a video for those of you who didn't watch that live stream because I'm really excited about this. This was obviously sent to me, well, this is a ProTech knife, and ProTech reached out to me to say, hey, we're bringing something back that we know you like because you've said it on your channel before, and I wanted to see if you wanted to, check this out. So, I did buy this, and I did get it early, so I wanted to make sure that you guys knew. This will be available very soon. And you know what? Let's just go ahead and get into it. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So yeah, I've always talked about my favorite ProTech in production being the ProTech S&G, but my favorite ProTech of all time is actually the ProTech Rockeye by Les George. I love this knife, and they told me we're bringing it back, and we're bringing it back in S35VN. The version of this that was originally done through ProTech was CPM 154, which is great. That's one of my favorite steels. But I also love S35VN, absolutely. More than really just the steel, I just love the Rockeye. I've always been happy with the ergonomics, and you guys have seen... on my channel, you've seen the VECP and the Flipper VECP. The VECP essentially is the Les George Mid-Tech, and this is based on, well, originally it's actually based on the custom Rockeye from Les George. So it has the same profile, ergonomic lines. The blade is about the same, maybe a little bit different in the thickness, but the overall profile is essentially the same. And then you have ProTech's amazing automatic firing action, which is, as I've said many times, ProTech makes the best side opening automatic knives in the world. So this was just an absolute joy to find out that it's coming back. We have the 6061 T6 aluminum scales. Very, very nice profile, very straightforward. It sounds silly, I like knives that just take a basic knife shape. This is absolutely, I mean, in terms of like a user, it's a joy. I actually used to own a Rockeye Auto user that now belongs to a friend here in town, and I'll be sharing, when I do the full video on this, because this is not a review, it's just an unboxing. When I do the full video on this knife, I'll actually be comparing it to the old one, and talking about how well these knives stand up, and just, I don't know, there's a lot. The video is going to be a gusher. It's what it's going to be. You might be wondering, when is this going to be available? Can I pick this up? Depending on when you're watching this, well, these will be available, I believe, in mid to late March. If I can, I will be providing a link down below that will either take you to a pre-order link. It might take you to the actual, where you can actually buy it, again, depending on when you're watching the video. Or it'll at least take you to a location where they will eventually populate. But if you like ProTech knives, if you enjoyed the Rockeye or you've been intrigued by it, whatever, right? This is definitely one to pick up. This is an excellent knife. Absolutely. Don't know what they're going to be priced at, but I've been carrying this. I've been enjoying carrying it a lot lately, and it's just been an absolute joy. So make sure that you check this out. Absolutely. ProTech, thank you again for allowing me to pick this up early and share it with my audience here. This was fantastic. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.